Learn some new camping tips right here. When done well, camping is among life's true pleasures. Before embarking on an outdoor adventure alone or with friends and family, it is important to familiarize yourself with tried and true camping tips and advice. The video that follows offers just the start any burgeoning outdoors enthusiast might need to plan their next outing. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. Introduce yourselves to other families camping in your immediate area, as a means of being social and more apt to help each other out. If another crew arrives after you've set up, offer to help with their tent or equipment. If something goes awry during the trip for anyone, it's much easier to ask for help from somebody who is courteous enough to introduce themselves. Pour out any water that has accumulated in your freezer each day. You want to do this to prevent the ice inside from melting into the water. It is also a good idea because any contaminants that have entered the water from foods you have in, can be poured off. Purchase camping pillows for a camping trip. Standard bed pillows tend to get sticky in humid weather. Mildew can grow in it when they absorb the moisture from the air. Camping pillows are coated to prevent this from happening, keeping you dry and comfortable. Save space in your bag by leaving mixing spoons and containers behind, and instead just bring plastic Ziploc bags. Place the foods or liquids that you want to mix in the bag, and ensure that the zipper is well closed before mixing. Not only do the bags take up considerably less space than bowls and spoons, but they're much more lightweight as well. An indispensable item to pack for your camping trip is Ziploc bags. You can separate items in your gear like sunscreen and bug spray so if they puncture they do not get all over your gear. You can also use them to keep items like matches and cell phones dry if it rains. Camping offers just about anyone the opportunity to peacefully commune with nature. But, in order to have the type of experience you truly desire, it is necessary to possess a certain degree of understanding and know-how. With any luck, the guidance contained above has provided the foundation every camper needs to have a wonderful outdoor experience. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.